New cases of HIV are rising.
Ang human immunodeficiency virus.
Ito nakita namin mabilis ang pagtaas.
Mula
From
21 new cases ng HIV kada araw.
7 taong may HIV kada araw sa unang quarter ng 2025.
The case of people with positive HIV in our country is continually increasing and getting younger.
What exactly is HIV? How is it transmitted or spread?
What steps can people who test positive for the disease take? Is it curable, and what is the reason why the cases in our country is constantly rising? According to statistics, before the end of 2025, there is an estimated 252,800 Filipinos living with HIV.
This is also one of the fastest epidemics in the Asia-Pacific region. What is HIV? HIV is the human immunodeficiency virus that destroys the immune system.
And if the body can no longer fight it off, it is called acquired immune deficiency syndromes or AIDS. However, having HIV does not automatically mean you will get AIDS. How is HIV transmitted? It can be transmitted through sharing of or using needles of injection, semen, or vaginal fluid and mother's milk.
Misconception include believing that you can get HIV from someone who has been through tears, saliva, and sweat.
The most frequent way HIV is contracted is through sexual intercourse without a condom.
Condoms are the primary protection during sexual intercourse, and their correct use greatly ensures protection against HIV. But for a long time, we only knew condoms as protection during sex. But aside from this, a new form of protection is now being promoted to prevent contracting HIV.
Called pre-exposure prophylaxis. The purpose of PrEP is to prevent HIV from entering our body.
PrEP will protect a person up to 99% even in the absence of condoms.
Increasing and getting younger cases, another alarming trend is that the age of those infected is getting younger.
According to Department of Health data, cases of minors who are HIV positive are increasing because they are having their sexual debut as early as 10 to 15 years old.
HIV advocates are pushing for a law that will grant minors access to buy condoms to reduce HIV cases in our country.
Steps for people who test positive. If you happen to test positive, do not worry because HIV have a treatment. The treatment is called antiretroviral therapy or ART.
That slows down the replication of HIV viral load. The patients need to take it every day once they are HIV positive. Within approximately 6 months, they can reach an undetectable status, which means they can no longer transmit the virus.
Support and awareness. Aside from the great help that medicine can provide, people with HIV also need emotional support.
Because the effect of HIV on the patient's mental health is not easy, especially since discrimination against people with HIV is still widespread.
Parental assistance is also needed, especially for minors, to be able to discuss about this disease.
If you think you might have HIV, do not be afraid to get tested.
Stop the spread of this disease by raising awareness about HIV. Attend some seminars in barangays and schools.
Do not afraid to go to testing centers, as you will also be able to reduce the incidence and the spread of the disease.